What's up, y'all? It's your boy, not Asmongold.
Wow, what a good steak.
Really inspired by the Asmongold $2 steak video. I really like the Chef Goga $2 steak rendition that they did.
The sizzle.
You got the sizzle.
I'm spreading it around.
And that's what inspired me to make this video today.
Now I gotta be honest with you, despite living in the prairies where there are literally cow fields in the city, there's no such thing as a $2 steak here. Now I could make a whole series of videos on meal planning and bulk buying, but unless you're purchasing a section of a cow directly from a farmer like I've started doing, I think it would be really hard to get any cut of steak for less than $10 a pound.
So actually, for me, going to the grocery store and buying a couple steaks is a pretty rare occurrence. For the past few years, I bought quarter cows, half cows, and we're actually getting a full cow delivered in about 5 months.
For me, because I'm some fancy schmancy chef, I am gonna just cut it on a bias to get it as thin as possible.
A theme to all my cooking is leftovers. My plan is to get 6 or more meals from these 4 steaks, and even though I'm using a different cut of meat, I've never tried the technique of slicing the beef ultra thin.
I don't know, it's about 15 pieces of paper thin.
Not thinking through my mixing strategy very well, everything is now going into a Ziploc bag with Asmon's signature combo of Worcestershire sauce, lemon pepper seasoning, and hitting the like button. And as a total last minute decision, I decided to let all of this marinate in the fridge overnight.
Alright, we're back for day 2, and in typical Asmongold style, I'm also wearing the same clothes. I have the meat sitting here. This is with the Worcestershire, lemon pepper, the cast iron pan they used in Chef Goga's video. I do have one of those, but I made turkey pot pie last night, so that's what my cast iron pan is doing right now. So tonight I'm going to use a stainless steel wok instead. And if you want to see something cool, my wife makes sourdough bread. This is a fresh loaf that she made today. Of course, we also have potatoes. These are russet, and we will be using Chef Mike to prepare these tonight. So I'm gonna wash these and stabby, and then Chef Mike will take care of them.
The way I'm designing this dish isn't the way I would do it if I was at a restaurant. I'm trying to design this dish for the home cook. So we're gonna do everything in one pan.
Less dishes. Yeah, you don't want to wash too many dishes at home.
This meal really only has 5 ingredients, so once the peppers and onions are chopped and the scraps are fed to the dog, everything can go in the pan. Within 2 to 3 minutes, the meat's going to be a nice medium rare with a touch of pink. This will finish cooking at the end, of course, and yes, I did save those juices.
Got the sizzle.
You got the sizzle.
I'm spreading it around.
I'd say the vegetables took closer to 10 minutes because they seemed extra crunchy for some reason, but eventually they cooked down before I added the meat back in. You should always taste test your food before plating, and I'd have to say this looks good to go.
So I knew it was gonna be good when I did a taste tester in there, because I immediately had a smile to my face when I tried a piece. But we can have it with the potato. The meat is very tender because it's cut so thinly sliced. I know this wasn't like a $2 flank or round cut like in the video, but still slicing it super thin was a good idea. The potatoes in a meal like this is neat. I normally make something like rice, and it could probably use some more peppers and onions if you just want more vegetables.
I always like to leave a takeaway in my videos, so for this one, just remember that you don't need to have level 300 professional cooking to try new things in the kitchen. And as Asmon always says, never stop going big dick.